Oh, okay. Yeah, so I go to my path. I'm gonna post this. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, all right. Today's February 12th, which is Thursday, and I'll be doing a coastal walk at Mount Martha, I guess. Yeah, pillars, whatever. But yeah, I heard it's a very nice beach, and I've been seeing it all over my Instagram. So I'm like, okay. I've been seeing it all over my FYP, and I'm like, okay, might as well go check it out. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I forgot how I looked without my glasses. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, in the bush. Look at the water. It is crystal clear. Beautiful. Oh my god. Doing some. Yeah, I'll probably put this on YouTube. I guess. Yeah, I'll put it on YouTube and yeah. See where it takes me though. Like just doing the walk. I hope I'm not too far from there. Because it looks kind of scary. No, it's not, I'm just kidding. But yeah. Yeah. Let's see where it takes us to. But yeah, sometimes I just like to do this. Like yeah, if I'm free during the day, because sometimes I work at night. I'm like, okay, yeah, might as well just go out and do something. Yeah, it's cool. Welcome to my little vlogs. Yeah. Okay. Welcome. Yeah, I'll put this video on YouTube. I said that already. I'm out of words to say, but yeah, just do it, just do it. Just do it. Yeah, I'm crazy, and I know. It's nothing special, man. Just walking in the. Oh, okay. This is another spot, though. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. Look at the cliffs. Yeah. Ọmọ, téèyàn bá lọ jábọ́ bí báyìí. Téèyàn bá lọ jábọ́ bí báyìí kú ni o. But some people actually jump this stuff. It's nice, it's beautiful. It is beautiful, not gonna lie. Look at the color of the water, look at that. Look at that. Oh. So this wind is blowing. Like the wind is literally blowing me, and I'm like, hell no, I'm not going close to that place. But yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I'm just looking at myself. I like looking at myself. Oh, look at that. Look at the water. Look at it. Oh. Yeah. Okay, I think I'll cut it. I'll cut the video after this. Look at my hair. It keeps blowing. But yeah, I'll cut the video after this, then I'll probably start another video because I want to take some pictures like of the water. Yeah. Okay, back again. I think yeah, I cut that away because I wanted to take some pictures. And yeah, I'm back on the walk. Look, that's it. Like everywhere is so Yeah, I think it's a good day, cause not, I don't know, but like I can't see anybody. Maybe because of the day I chose, you know. Probably people are at work. Yeah, I should be at work too. Oops, what's that? I can hear something in the wood, in the, is it woods I would call it? Mommy, I don't know what I would call them. See now woods, I've been a forest. I don't know, man. But yeah, I feel tired already. I'll keep walking. Yeah, this is how the view looks like. There's, yeah, I think we'll get to the beach side. We're almost there actually. My goodness. But yeah, this is another like a stop. I don't know if I want to go here. It looks slippery. But yeah, this is it. Like, oh my God, look at that. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Like, you can just feel the serenity, you know? Like the peace. Oh. Yeah, you can feel it. I'll try to swim in the... Yeah, I cannot swim, but I'm more confident now because I've been... Yeah, I can't swim, but I'm more confident because I've been taking like swimming lessons for a month now. And yeah, I can't really swim, but at least it's better than before. Before I couldn't even like... I was so scared of being in the water. Wow. I never knew I looked even better without my glasses. Oh. Wait. Tell me, man. I don't know. I'm so tired. So yeah. Like, so I would definitely try to enter the water. Yeah, before I didn't used to be confident about entering the water, but now after trying to learn how to swim, even if I'm still learning, at least I know I cannot drown as long as I don't go in too far. So yeah, welcome to my, yeah, like this is just a side quest shit, so which I'll be trying sometimes whenever I have time, you know. Yeah, I like to do stuff like this. And oh, I'm hearing stuffs in the bush. I'm not scared. A little bit. I am not. But honestly, it's what's that? Oh, it's the wildlife, and that's their habitat. So I'm literally coming to their zone. So yeah, oops. Just keep checking. Yeah, turn the camera. That's the beach again. Oh, it's so large, like very large actually. Oh my God, I keep hearing shit in this place. I keep hearing different stuffs in the... Yeah, I keep hearing... Oh, okay, this is the route. This is the route to the beach. Is this, yeah, route or route? I don't know. Wow. Yeah. Let me know. Oh, tired already. I'm tired, but I have to keep going. We're almost there. At least I'll rest on the beach, you know. This is good. At least I get a lot of steps because I've been trying to focus on walking more this year. Not this year, from last year. I've always been trying to. So yeah, if I'm able to achieve that, I'm definitely proud of myself. And yeah, uh, I promise you I am not scared. Oh, no. And we're finally at the beach. Finally here. Those are the cliffs. That's the cliffs. That's the cliff. I think it would be on the other side too. Finally here, you know. Wow. Look, there's some like, I think they call this stuff baiting boxes. Yeah. I don't know. I think it's just like an iconic. Yeah, it's like an iconic baiting boxes. Yeah. So they're different ones. And yeah. It's nice, you know. Yeah. It's iconic. Yeah, they're just on the beach though. You can see some people here. It's just the water. I think the water looked really cool from the top. Yeah, it looked so nice from the top. It is nice too, but it looked really nice from the top. Yeah. Thank you. I'll probably catch you up later, and I think I'll post this one. This will be the first video on my YouTube. But yeah, not for money, not for anything, just like a documentation of my life, so which I'll probably come back and see in the future. Maybe my kids see them, I don't know, or maybe yeah, just look back in the future and say, yeah, this was me, you know, documenting my life, which I want to do more, because I'm not gonna lie, I used to document, but I never like I used to document, never took it serious. It gets deleted. I don't have my old pictures, don't have my old videos. But yeah, now I want to like put them out there. And yeah, it is what it is, man. Thanks, guys.